Top 50 Daily English Shopping Sentences. Part 2. Practice with me and improve your English fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Part 6. Can you give me a better price? That's too expensive for me. I saw this cheaper somewhere else. What's the best you can offer? Can you make it a little less? I'm on a budget. Is there any offer on this? Can I get a discount on bulk purchase? That's still too high. Okay, I'll take it for this price. Part 7. Do you have this in a different style? Can I see more options? I prefer this one. This doesn't suit me. Do you have something better? I'm looking for something simple. This is exactly what I wanted. I'll think about it. I need some time to decide. I'll come back later. Part 8. Do you have this in my size? This is too tight. This is too loose. The fitting is perfect. Can I get this altered? Is this washable? Will this shrink after washing? Is this fabric comfortable? Do you have this in cotton? This color suits me. Part 9. Do you have any cashback offers? Can I split the payment? Do you accept online payments? Is EMI available on this? Can I scan and pay? Do you have any coupons? Is there any festival discount? Can I get a bill with GST? Please share the receipt. I'll pay via UPI. Part 10. This product is damaged. It stopped working. I want to file a complaint. This is not what I ordered. The quality is not good. I am not satisfied with this. Can you fix this issue? I need help with this product. This is missing a part. I want a replacement. If you want to speak English like this, watch this again and repeat after me. Follow Daily English with Cece for more.